Hello winners, welcome to how to stop overtrading in Forex. In this video we're going to go through what are the steps that you need to identify if you are overtrading, and also what are the steps to solve your overtrading troubles. Okay, if that sounds amazing, I hope I can help you today. My name is Ivan Beadle, Forex trader and mentor and economist, and of course I'm a Forex trader as you are. I want to help you, and that's why we have made this video today. Also, trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. That's why overtrading comes in very handy here, to not risk money you cannot afford to lose. So, this video is only for educational purposes and should be considered to be so. So, I really thank you guys for really liking and watching my previous video, which is above me here. That was on Saturday. On the upcoming Saturday, we will post new weekly and monthly trades. 150 to 200 to 300 to 400 pips trade plans on Saturday for USD and on Sunday for other pairs as well. Doesn't that sound amazing? Awesome. Okay, let's go. For overtrading. How do you know you're overtrading? Most likely you know it yourself already. But if you don't know, I can tell you. One of the most important ones or the first one you will see is that you're having too many positions in one go. One, maybe on just one pair. Two, on different pairs. Or three, on everything that moves, you have a trade on. So that's overtrading, maybe one-on-one, having too many positions. Another way is that you are buying into a falling market. I would say that's overtrading because you're done not trading according to how you were supposed to. So you're trying to make up money by overtrading. And also you are maybe selling into a rising market. So for example, you would buy somewhere in here, somewhere in here, somewhere in here, and sell somewhere in here, somewhere in here, and somewhere here, even though we are turning bullish. So far, at least. Then, now we have identified what overtrading is very swiftly, and for that matter, there could be more overtrading routes, but that's what I want to focus on today. Also, overtrading in the emotion world is quite complex. I don't know if I can help you, but I can give you some tools today, okay? The tool number one is have a plan. Create a plan. That is being said so many times, so I won't go through it, that you need to be set and specific on your pair, on your currency, on your direction, on your lot size, on your risk management, on your trade setup, what kind of trade setup, what kind of market is it, all those things that goes into your trade plan. Fine. I hope you already know that. If not, you have to go and look on YouTube for a trade plan. Okay? Then, once you have a trade plan, before you even go into the real market, you have to have proven that your strategy actually works. Okay? You need to have a strategy, you need to have a trade plan. Then you have to prove that those two together works and gives you consistent returns. That's what we're here for, isn't it? So for you to have proven with over 20 trades that you can do it, well, it might be a rookie and a rocky move or a rocky proof, but it's still a proof. And then Another solution is you have to have dream trades. What is dream trades? Dream trades is those trades you are thinking of every single day that you took because they were so amazing, okay? For me, my dream trades are this one. And I can't remember when I did my really first big dream trade. I can try and see if I can find it right now. But for me, it's like, wow, I did actually catch that one. And for me, I really took the whole of it. And that's what, September, August 2017. So that's quite some time ago, actually, where I don't know what you call it even. It was just amazing, I guess. Well, that was the first time I really did the reversal thing. It might not be as good as the reversal now, but I remember that when we have here, we have a small reversal up here, and then we have a new low, then we have a pullback, entry, new low, pullback, entry, new low, pullback, entry. And then we have the real deal. For my dream trades, it just kept on going. There's no real pullback here. It's just almost going sideways. And then down, 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 down. I think I took profit in here. I think I also took profit in here and then I sold here again. So I don't think I got this move. But I got this move. And for me, that was the breakthrough that I got as 200 pips. And then here was like 110 or something. So this, for me, I found it so easily and so fast. For me, this is my dream trade and I want you to have it too. Okay? Then I want us to go back to EURUSD and then back there. Okay. So what else can we do to stop overtrading? You can have low risk. You can choose how many trades in your head, and mentally and physically you decide yourself how much you want to risk or how much you want to trade. So you just have to control. I can't control it for you, but you have to control yourself and saying, I'm only going to trade EURUSD this week. Okay? Then I can ask me, Ivan, is this a good entry? Okay. Then I would ask you, do you have any other positions? No. Fine. Okay. Is this less than 1% risk on your account? Yes, it is. Then you can go with it. Another way is to have a high margin level on your account. If the percentage of margin level on your account is high, you have a good risk management. But if it's low, and if your free margin is low compared to your lot size, to your account size, like if you have $100 and your free margin is 20, that is so low. Okay, you cannot trade with such a risk. Okay, and then I want to point out that it's all up to you. I can't choose for you, but it would really help you. So if you want to come to my Telegram channel, fine. If you go to my Facebook group, or if you send me an email through the links below, I don't know how, but I would really love to help you. I hope this small video also makes you see that there is a potential way for you to stop overtrading. There is a potential way of handling it, and I have given you some tools now of how to do it. And then I want you to say, first of all, acknowledge that you have the problem. 2, that you now have watched the video and seen the tools. And 3, executing it. And also give me the feedback. Did it work? Or do you still have challenges to help yourself? So don't risk money you cannot afford to lose. Stay safe. And this is for the long term. This is for the next 10 years. I've been trading for 5 or 6 or 6 years now. And I didn't start out as a guru. I didn't start out as a mentor. I started out with nothing. That's why I believe anyone, and especially you, are able to do it. Okay, until next time, stay safe.